Nearly a week ahead of talks on a proposed Ukraine peace plan, Russian President Vladimir Putin has said that the United States' proposal to end the war could form the basis for future agreements, but warned that Moscow would continue advancing militarily unless Ukraine withdraws from occupied territories. Speaking to reporters in Bishkek, Kyrgyzstan, Putin confirmed that the Kremlin is expecting a US delegation led by Special Envoy Steve Witkoff to arrive in Moscow next week. According to CNN, Putin said Russia is ready for a serious discussion, but stressed that any end to the conflict hinges on Ukrainian forces pulling back from territories claimed by Moscow. Putin warned that if Kyiv refuses to withdraw, Russia would achieve its objectives through military means. Russia currently occupies around 20% of Ukraine, including all of Luhansk and parts of Donetsk, Kherson, and Zaporizhia, regions Russia has claimed but not fully conquered. While Moscow has made recent gains along the eastern front line, particularly near Pokrovsk, the US-based Institute for the Study of War says a decisive Russian victory is not inevitable. Ukraine and its European allies have repeatedly rejected territorial concessions, calling them a red line. The impasse comes despite US officials, including President Donald Trump, claiming significant progress toward ending the conflict. CNN reports that the US drafted peace plan strongly shaped by Russian input also includes contentious demands such as limiting Ukraine's military and blocking its membership in NATO, making a breakthrough unlikely for now.